Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by importing the image and opening the masking panel. This gets you to work fast. Use Select Subject to create an automatic subject mask because it saves time and captures complex edges. Once done, invert that mask if you want to change the background instead of the subject. Make sure to toggle Mask Overlay to inspect edges and add a small brush or linear gradient to fix missed spots before moving on to global background edits. Now you refine the mask. Zoom to 100% and check edges using overlay modes so you don't miss hair or high contrast areas. Use the brush with about 50% flow and a soft feather. Toggle Auto Mask when you need edge awareness versus freehand strokes. If Select Subject missed zones, add Subtract or add masks to remove or include areas precisely. Once refined, nudge feather and density to blend the selection naturally. Because a realistic finish by treating the inverted mask as your background layer. Lower exposure, tweak temperature, and add dehaze or color mix changes to match mood. If you need a full replacement, export the mask subject as a PNG to composite in another editor, or paste a replacement image beneath in Lightroom if available. Make sure to inspect edges one last time. If things go wrong, reopen the mask. Use the Refine Edge workflow and subtract fringe colors. This usually eliminates halos and color bleed quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.